This is a brief tutorial on the setup process for Eniture Technologies' collection of small package quotes for Shopify apps. At the conclusion of the tutorial, a brief demonstration will be presented showcasing parcel rates on the Shopify checkout page. This video will cover the basic steps required to have parcel rates presented during checkout. It is not a substitute for the user's guide, which is located on the Documentation tab of the Product Information page at Eniture.com. Refer to the user's guide that is specifically for the parcel provider to take full advantage of the app's extensive capabilities. The UPS version of the Small Package Quotes app will be used for this setup tutorial and demonstration. However, the video is germane to all of the parcel carriers for which Eniture Technology has an app. Begin by installing the app to your store. Click on Settings, choose Apps and Sales Channels, and click on the Shopify App Store button. Locate the app and click the Install button. Follow the steps in the installation wizard to install the app to your store. Next, add the app to the Shopify shipping zone. Use the Shopify admin menu to navigate to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Access the general profile or any custom profile to which you want to add the app. Scroll to the shipping zones, click the Add Rate button, and choose the option to use carrier or app to calculate rates. Select the app from the drop-down list. Make sure all the checkboxes on this page are enabled before clicking the Done button. Save your settings and return to the Shopify admin menu. Click on Apps. Locate the app and click on its name. Select a subscription on the Plans page. The most popular option is the Standard plan, which includes the ability to automatically detect the address type. This is an important feature because of the additional fees associated with residential deliveries. Click on the Connection Settings tab. This is where you'll connect the app to your account. Consult the app's user's guide for instructions on how to get the carrier's API credentials. Enter the credentials, save the settings, and then test the connection. If an alert doesn't appear confirming that the test was successful, then the app is not connected to the account. Resolve this before continuing. Next, click on the Warehouses tab. The app supports two types of shipping origins: warehouses and dropship locations. These are discussed fully in the user's guide. For the purpose of this tutorial, add a warehouse. Enter a nickname for the warehouse and its postal code. The city and state should populate automatically. If there are options, select the correct one from the drop-down. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Settings. Now, click on the Quote Settings tab. The Quote Settings page contains the settings that govern the app's behavior. There are numerous settings, and the user's guide should be consulted carefully while making the selections. This tutorial will keep it simple. Enable the ground, second-day, and next-day air saver services. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Settings. Click on the Box Sizes tab. To accurately account for the way parcel carriers determine their billable charges, enable the Standard Box Sizes feature. Enter a notification email address and select the Minimize the Number of Packages optimization mode. Click the Save button and then add the boxes that are stocked. For the tutorial, a small, medium, and large box will be defined. The Standard Box Sizes algorithm identifies the best packaging solution for a cart and uses it to obtain rates from the parcel carrier. The packaging solution will be saved as a graphical illustration with the order. To avoid using the Standard Box Sizes feature, opt for one of the default packaging settings. Unlike the Standard Box Sizes feature, these are free to use. However, the shipping quotes won't be as accurate because they don't account for the way parcel carriers determine their billable charges, unless every item in the cart always ships as its own package, and that option is selected. To learn more about how parcel shipping providers determine the billable charges for a package, refer to their service guides or the information that is available in Eniture Technologies' knowledge base. Next, populate the product shipping parameters. Use the Shopify admin menu to navigate to products. Choose an item in the catalog that will ship with a parcel carrier if it is the only item in the cart. Use the More Actions button and select the app to access the page where the app collects product shipping parameters. What appears on this page will depend on the Eniture technology apps that are installed. Enable the checkbox for Quote as a parcel shipment. Enter the product's weight and dimensions. In the boxing properties settings, use the boxes available for all products and enable the setting to allow the item to be rotated vertically when placing it in a box. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save and Return button. Now the app is capable of returning shipping rates for this product. Click the View button at the top of the page. Add the product to the cart and proceed to the checkout page. After entering a valid ship-to address, you'll see shipping rates from the account connected through the app. This concludes the basic setup tutorial and a demonstration of parcel shipping rates appearing on the Shopify checkout page. Install the app and use the user's guide to implement it on your store.